here's my question. Do I indulge in the chocolate turd? I don't know. Looks questionable. Why, hello everybody! In this video, I'm taking the night train from Berlin to Budapest. I brought my GoPro along for the ride and for a couple of runs around the city. So enjoy this vaguely travel-turned-royalty-free music video around the Hungarian capital. Do I indulge in the chocolate turd? Presumably not actually turd, just, I don't know, looks questionable. But do I indulge in this and then wash it down with some Hungarian sparkling wine? Or do I go to bed without having any last minute regrets? Very quiet out here this morning, or I guess afternoon technically. An interesting run around this track. Getting to see a part of Budapest that I imagine most don't get to. Much better now that we're done with that uphill nonsense. That was just like, I don't, or no thank you, I'm hungry.